Good afternoon, students. Once again we are performing another test, insulation test on the single phase induction motor as a part of our curriculum. Single phase induction motor, as per standard, we have to test this IR value as a routine test, as a type test. Okay. So for a routine test for single phase induction motor, the values what we are going to measure, IR values, we have considered here as a ceiling fan as a single phase induction motor. We have made special arrangement, and this ceiling fan is now act as a single phase induction motor. As we know, the single phase induction motor has two windings. One is the running winding, another is the starting winding. We have identified these two windings by measuring its resistance in between two terminals. So for common terminal, that is blue, that is what you coming out of three windings are coming out from the stator of the induction motor ceiling fan. We have isolated the entire capacitor, so measurement will be correct one. And then we have measured the value in between the red, that is the running winding, and the blue. It is found at 175 ohms. And for starting winding, we measured in between the green terminal and the blue common terminal. Multimeter, we have measured its resistance. It is found at 272 ohms. So these two windings we identified, which is one is the running winding and which one is the starting winding. Okay. Now to measure its insulation resistance, earth has a significance in it, because the body what we see in outer body, it is a rotor actually. It is a rotor of the ceiling fan. It is a difference in between the construction of the ceiling fan rotor and stator as compared to the normal motor. Normal motor has the stator as a stationary, but it is a hollow one, and in between the rotor is rotating with the shaft. Okay. In case of ceiling fan, center portion what we are having a steady stationary, it carries the both windings, stator and the rotor winding, and outer what we are having, which is hinged on with the help of bearing and bush, this body is in this case it is a rotor part. Stationary part, stator winding and the running winding, that is a running and starting winding, both are stationary at the center. So we have to find out the earthing point, earthing connection for the core connection for that winding, stator part. So that is identified as a body shaft of this for hinging shaft, okay, of the fan, and this act as a here earthing point for the core point of the stator laminations. Okay. So in between that stator earth, that is a winding earth, and the winding, we are finding out the status of the insulation, which is generally in the ceiling fan impregnated paper is there inserted in between the core laminations and the slot in between the winding. That insulation we are going to find it whether it is perfect or not. Okay. So that's about for the starting of the. We started the experiment. We will record first 15-second value of IR. It is 10 mega ohm only. Rotations are continued for 30 seconds. आगे ले कितना तक बढ़ रहेगा थोड़ा सा 10.1. So it's 11 almost 11 ohm, 11 mega ohm. It's a 12 mega ohm. 1 minute value is the 12 mega ohm, almost 13 mega ohm. Okay, 4-minute value also same 13 mega ohm. क्या बोला? From this observation, we 13 mega ohm, 4-minute value is also found 13 mega ohm. So there is no substantial increase in the further minutes value. So we can stop here further measuring. It is assume that it seems to be that the insulation not in good condition. Okay, so we will stop this experiment here, and we can plot the graph, and from the absorption coefficient and we send the polarization index also, it's found to be not